Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. As you can see on the thumbnail, we've already started our early Black Friday deals and sales. What you don't know is we have reduced all of our courses a lot. So when you go to our website, for those of you that are considering or always wanted to start your own business in the appliance repair industry, which is awesome. I think all of you already know that we have several students making over 100,000. Now these courses are for beginners, intermediate, and seasoned techs. So if you wanted to work for yourself, choose your own days that you work, your own hours, live where you want to live, this is the industry. And it is evergreen, which means it's always in high demand. So again, let's get started and let us show you what we can offer you at such an affordable price. Okay, guys, this is the Cornerstone Appliance Training Course website. Now, the home page is here, but the link you want to go to is the Our Course Discount, new in parentheses link, which is here. This is where the majority of our courses are. We have created a couple of banners, as you can see at the top. You don't have to purchase each course for the membership. You can read that. The first one you're going to see is Real Hands-On Appliance Training School. Now, we paused that until the first of next year. We're extremely busy. So for those of you that want to attend the school, we have a course date on the website. I think the first class is January 22nd of 2024. Now, here's one of our popular courses, Fundamentals of Appliances, all-in-one bundles. Now, you can read this, but I'm going to give you the information. This covers all major appliances: washers, dryers, dishwashers, microwave, refrigerators, stoves, ovens, garbage disposal is in this course. Now, these courses are for beginners, intermediate, like I said earlier, and seasoned techs. The surprise here is we give you lifetime membership with lifetime updates and live tech support. So you're not out there stuck if you get to a customer's house and you don't know what to do. We're here to help. The other one is this is the price reduction. Less than $500, $495 one-time payment, or 250, you might as well say 247.48 if you want to split the payment. The only difference is, and you need to bear this in mind, for those of you that want to start 30 days or less, I would recommend the payment all at once or the split payment for this particular course, because you will get quite a bit of training where you can start even though you haven't finished the course. How do you get it? All you have to do is click on this blue button, which we're going to go into detail in a few minutes what's included in the course. The next course is Advanced Troubleshooting and Repair, all appliances included. What this means is we're going to show you some advanced troubleshooting in each course. That's included. There's no charge for that or no cost. Now, this one is for all of you entrepreneurs or want to be entrepreneurs. This is the Start Your Own Appliance Business. You get the fundamentals with it, business management, bonuses, and this is called Business Pro. Now, we reduced it. And I know you guys already know that most of the courses online are 2,000 and above, or at least 1,800 and above. We reduced this one to 600. And let me tell you up front before I show you what's included. You get a professionally designed website. You're going to get a couple other bonuses I'm going to show you here in a second. You got lifetime membership, lifetime updates, and the website is free for the first 3 months. After that, you get to decide whether you want us to keep doing it for you or you can do it yourself. Now, you can also, there are 3 payment options with Business Pro. The 3 payment options, you can pay monthly, a little less than $100, but that's for 6 months. or you can pay it all at once, which is 600. You might as well say, or mid payment is 300. Now here's the difference. I said it earlier. If you're trying to start your business or start learning appliance training in 30 days or less, you need to go with the all-in-one payment, all at once, one-time payment, or a split payment. Or for 6 months, it will take you a while. Now, if you're not in a hurry, you're on a job, you just want to learn slowly, then the 6-month payment may work for you. Same thing here. All you do is click this little blue square, and it'll take you to what exactly is included before you make your purchase. This next one, Professional Business Bundle. We call it PBB. This is for 3 techs, a business owner, and for those of you entrepreneurs that want to hire 2 additional techs. We will train them for you. Now, it's a lot of bundles, a lot of bonuses in this course. You as the business owner won't have to deal with the tech training them day to day. We will. Also, we offer live tech support to all 3 of you guys. This course is a total of, you might as well say, 1,300 or 216.65 for 6 months. The next one is the washer and dryer training. Now, these are your individual courses. This one's only 300. And let me make a statement here. For you guys that want to get out there and start making money and don't want to wait till you finish the course, in the fundamentals, after the fundamentals of a module, you will go to washer and dryer training. This is one of the most sought after appliance repair you will repair and service in this industry. This is 2 of them, washers and dryers. Now, with that being said, this is a one-time payment of $300, but you don't get the other bonuses in fundamental. You will get, if you purchase fundamental, you get everything to include this course. And again, you click on the blue button right here. We also have a standalone course for the refrigerator training course. That's only $300. It's only about refrigerators. Lifetime membership with lifetime updates. Click on the button. We've also have a standalone course called Oven, Stove, and Range Repair Training. For those of you that want to brush up on your stove and repair training, this is the course. $300 for one-time payment, lifetime membership with lifetime updates. One other thing I didn't mention yet, majority of those courses, you will also receive a free troubleshooting and repair manual. Now, this Appliance Tech Pro, let me make this clear, is a resource, not an app yet. But this is an awesome resource. All you need is a cell phone and you have access. You get stuck out there, you don't know how to put an appliance in diagnostic mode. This will do it. You don't know the steps of diagnostic mode. This will do it. If you don't know what the error code stands for, what it means on that appliance, this will do it. This is free with the courses that you see right here. So that is included. Now, managing your appliance service and repair business automation, that's this one. So for those of you that don't want to do the paper or the manual side of the house, that's the automation course. And this is our orange course, Appliance Repair Marketing Solutions. What we do here, all of you as business owners will need advertising. Don't let anybody lie to you. You must advertise initially. You're new. Unless you can do it yourself, we will help you. If you're a business pro member, we reduce it 50%. Individuals that are not members of our school or course have to pay $400. But all of our students that are business pro members or above, you only pay $200. What do we do for you? PPC, pay-per-click, SEO, search engine optimization. So we send traffic to your cell phone or website. Now, leads, for those of you that are new in this industry, leads companies build their company, not yours. If you don't build your company, you will have to pay leads every time you need to make money. That's not how you want to do this business. If you do it simultaneously, that's different. But what we do is we send the customer to you, not a cell phone, and then send you a lead. No, they call you, they go to your website. We're building your business. That's how you want to start. Appliance Repair Blue Book Pricing Guide. This is another bonus that's in the course. If you're not a member, it's $150. But for those of you that are members, you get it for free. This is the Blue Book Pricing Guide that will teach you, and what we teach you is how to price fairly but profitable, and how to make 125 to 200 pure profit per call when you repair it, and that's after parts. Parts are not included. That's what you walk away with. Now, this professionally designed and optimized website, I'm going to show you later one of them that we create, install, set up. We do all the work, the optimization, the keywords, the content for your service area. We do that for you for free for 3 months in Business Pro. At the end of the 3 months, you get to decide whether you want to stay with us. And if you do, it's only $99 a month, no contract. And we'll do all the work for you, hosting, maintenance, updates. Make sure it's not any viruses. All of that work is done for you from us. Again, you click on the button and you're going to see one of these website examples here shortly. Next thing is where we answer some of your questions at the bottom down here. So all you have to do is scroll to the bottom of the page. Some of the frequently asked questions that we receive, we answer here. Also, don't hesitate to give us a call at 800-215-5495. You'll see it on the link here, or 901-387-7525. As I mentioned earlier, here's one of the example of the websites that you will receive when you choose Business Pro, or one of the courses above Business Pro, and you want us to create the website. Now, you have several pages here, as you can see. This is easily a 15 to 20 page website. Let me let you see the front page. It goes all the way down to the bottom right here, and then we'll go back up. Now, I'll try to click on a couple of the links. I'm in a rural area and my internet service is not that fast. So this is the Our Services page, and this is where the guys and girls, your customers, are going to find out what you offer on the Our Services page. And let me show you a couple of more pages. Washers and dryers. This is the page right here. Then you got dryers, refrigerators, stove. Now, this is the site I use locally. I don't do microwaves anymore, but you can. And we'll add that. Whatever you have on that site or want, we will add it. Now, this is the schedule services page where they can schedule appointments through your website. Excuse me. And they'll fill out their information and submit it to your email address. And we'll send it to you there, or you can have it text. But all websites must have a certain amount of pages, or Google will not allow that website on their search engine. Do not go for a 3 to 5 page website. They're horrible and they will not rank. It must be professionally designed. And let me say this. Don't forget the old cliche, first impression or lasting one. You never get a second chance to make a first impression. And with your website, probably 80-95% of your customers, everybody Googles, is going to go to your website. If you have a substandard or ugly website, they will not call you, they will not make appointments. So make sure your website is professional. Hey guys, this video went a little longer than I expected. I'll show you the details in the next video what's included in each course. I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, we will run these sales for a little while. It won't just end in the next 2 or 3 days. But go out to the website, as you can see here, cornerstoneappliancetrainingcourse.com or catc1.com. Take a look. For those of you that are looking for an awesome career, retiring, always wanted to work for yourself, work the days you want to work, the hours you want to work in a high demand industry, the appliance repair industry is it. If you have any questions, give us a call, send us a text, go to our website, fill out a live chat, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Always be learning and be blessed.